everyone, Sarah here. You've got me this week while Dad has a well-deserved break, and I thought I'd show you my favourite parts of Dad's railway here at home. Let me just turn on the power. This is my favourite corner because it's got some of my favourite pop culture nuts, including this little Ford Anglia that's gotten stuck in this tree here. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know much about trains, but I'm pretty sure that was Percy from Thomas the Tank Engine fame hiding over there on the left. I love the attention to detail, like all the people having dinner at this little restaurant here. And here's the main street. That little car's still stuck in the tree on our right, but over here on our left, oh, it's Sarah's Cinema. I wonder what's playing this week. Oh gosh, it looks like there's been a little bit of an accident. I wonder if there's a doctor around who might be able to help. It does look like there's an actual ambulance arriving to the scene too, though. And off in the distance we can see the fair. Let's see what's going on over there. Looks like we can try our hand at the shooting gallery or throwing some darts at balloons. Or everyone's favourite fair game, guess how many candles on the birthday cake? Like I said, just a little peek at my favourite parts of Dad's railway. He'll be back next week and I hope you all will be too. Farewell for now. Bye.